Hello everyone, good time. In this video I'm going to showing you how to change this picture or converting this picture to this picture to making a golden light horn of the deer with Adobe Photoshop. And the first time we need to opening the Photoshop and going to the open, then getting the original picture and making a zoom, and now going to the toolbar and getting the object selection tool and clicking at the deer object and press and holding at the Ctrl J. When we make it a layer, clicking at the background, so now go to the playlist, click at the Hue Startation and change the brightness to dark, okay, and return to the list and select the color lookup and open the list, first list, and select the night from day, and now click at the layer, one click, and click at the object from the picture, one click. When make the border, turn the list, return to the list and select the Hue Startation again and change the brightness of the deer object. Okay, now we need to save this picture in the first time with press and holding the Ctrl S or Ctrl Shift S as a JPEG tape. You can rename any name, but I saved this project, and last time you can see here it's it, because this you need just to click at the save to saving, and I am canceling it. So now closing this project and go to open your saved project and make a zoom, and now make a border with press and holding the left mouse click. Okay, so now when the object selection tool is selected, the horn, now press and hold Ctrl J. When make it a layer, click at the layer, right click and select convert to smart object, and now press and hold Ctrl G from your keyboard, and now turn to the layer, click at the layer number 1 and press and hold Ctrl J again, and click at the layer number 1 copy and go to the filter list normal and get or select the screen filter, and now go to the filter in here and go to the blur or blur and get the JSON blur and change the number to number 5 and click OK, and now click at the copy number 1 layer, press and hold Ctrl J from your keyboard and go to the JSON blur down of the copy number 2 layer, double click and tape number 150 and click the OK, and turn to the copy layer number 2, just one click and press and hold Ctrl J again, and now click at the JSON blur down of the copy number 3 and tape 300 and click OK, and now in here close the group and just click a one click in the space inside the group and turn to the list and go to the Hue Startation and click at this logo, just a one click, the adjustment effects, okay, and now you can in here change the brightness of the horn, okay, and I advising you activating the colorize and get the effect or field to maximum size, and now you can change the color at the gold as a golden color. And this video is come to end, guys. I hope you don't forget like my video and share to learning another people's, and subscribe my channel to see more video next time. So thank you for watching. Goodbye. Thank you. See you again. Goodbye.